This is the next worked example in using subgoal labels to evaluate an expression in the Java programming language. In this example, we will be using compound operators. Here's the problem statement. Assuming the following given declarations, evaluate these statements. If invalid, give the reason. If valid, what are the values assigned to the variables? And note any possible side effects. The statements are gamma is assigned the value 5, and then gamma plus equals delta divided by alpha plus beta mod alpha. Subgoal 1, determine the resultant data type of the expression. On the right-hand side of the expression, we have the variables delta, alpha, beta, and alpha. Note that all of those are all declared as integers. Therefore, the resultant data type must be an integer. Subgoal 2 is not used in this example. Subgoal 3 is to then evaluate the arithmetic expression. Delta has a value of 3, alpha has a value of 2, and beta has a value of 1. Replacing the variables with their values, we have the statement gamma plus equals 3 divided by 2 plus 1 mod 2. Because of the order of operations, the division and modulus are evaluated first. 3 divided by 2 is 1. Remember, this is integer division. 1 mod 2 is also 1. Remember, if I have one apple, take away all groups of 2 apples. How many apples do I have left? Only 1. So I now have gamma plus equals 1 plus 1. We do the addition, so we have gamma plus equals 2. The compound addition operator can be rewritten as gamma is equal to gamma plus 2. What is the value of gamma? Gamma has a 5 in it, so we have 5 plus 2 gives us the value of 7. Subgoal 4 says, look at the thing on the left-hand side of the assignment statement and determine its data type. Gamma is declared as an int. We know the expression on the right-hand side has been evaluated to an int, so yes, you can assign an int to an int. So the value 7 is then copied into gamma. Subgoal 5 is not used in this example. The answer to the problem would be that the statements are valid and that 7 is assigned to the value of gamma. That is the end of this worked example.